Ever feel like landlords have a secret password, and if you don't know it, your application is toast? When it comes to your credit score, that's not too far from the truth. So, what's the magic number that gets you the keys, and what score sends your application to the shredder? Let's get into it. All right, let's cut to the chase. While there's no official, legally mandated minimum, most landlords are really hoping to see a credit score of 650 or higher. Think of 650 as the unofficial sweet spot. However, this can change depending on where you live and what you're renting. If you're eyeing a luxury spot in a competitive city, they might be looking for a score of 700 or even more. For more affordable apartments, the average score can be closer to 600. So, what's the score that makes landlords nervous? Anything below 600 is often a red flag, flagging you as a potentially high-risk applicant. A score under this number can suggest a rocky financial history, and a landlord's biggest fear is rent not being paid on time. It's not impossible to get approved with a score in the 500s, but it definitely makes things tougher. But look, a low score is a hurdle, not a wall. Don't panic. You've got options. First, you can offer to put more money down, like a larger security deposit or paying an extra month of rent up front. Second, bring in a cosigner. This is usually a friend or family member with great credit who agrees to cover the rent if you can't. Third, build your case. Provide glowing letters of recommendation from past landlords, show proof of a steady income, or even share bank statements that show you're responsible with your money. The bottom line? Aim for a score above 650. Know that anything under 600 is tricky territory. But never forget that you have ways to prove you're a great tenant. A credit score is just one part of your story. Before you apply for any apartment, make sure you know exactly where your credit stands. Click the link on the screen right now to check your full credit report and 𝐔𝐒𝐄𝐅𝐔𝐋 score. It only takes a few minutes, and it's almost free. And if you've ever been approved or denied for an apartment because of your credit, drop your experience in the comments. It could really help someone else.